Hi, everyone. Today, we're talking about the amazing health and beauty benefits of bay leaves. These aromatic leaves, commonly found in Mediterranean cuisine, are packed with nutrients and have been used for centuries in natural remedies and beauty treatments. First, let's talk about the health benefits of bay leaves. These leaves are a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damaging free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. They also contain anti-inflammatory compounds, making them a natural way to alleviate pain and reduce swelling. Bay leaves have even been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making them a great choice for those with diabetes or at risk for developing it. But bay leaves aren't just good for the inside of your body, they can also benefit your appearance. The antioxidants in bay leaves can help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant, and the anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and irritation. You can even use bay leaves in a homemade face mask or hair rinse to give your skin and hair a boost of nourishment. Another beauty benefit of bay leaves is their ability to improve the health of your hair. The nutrients in these leaves can help strengthen and condition your hair, leaving it looking shiny and smooth. You can make a simple hair rinse by boiling a few bay leaves in water, then straining the mixture and using it as a final rinse after shampooing and conditioning. So, there you have it, the health and beauty benefits of bay leaves are truly impressive. Next time you're cooking with these aromatic leaves, don't forget to save a few for a homemade beauty treatment. Your body, hair and skin will thank you.